Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ASHRAF AIMAN bin HAIRULNIZAM, student ID 2020893964. Today, I'm going to present about sustainability impact in air conditioning system. So without further ado, let's start with the objective. The objective of sustainability impact in air conditioning system can divide into three. The first one is environmental sustainability. It aims to improve human welfare through the protection of natural capital, for example like air, land, water and others. Next is society sustainability. It aims to preserve social capital by investing and creating services that constitute the framework of our society, for example to preserve future generations. And lastly is economic sustainability. It aims to maintain the capital intact, for example to improve the standard of living. In the context of business, it refers to the efficient use of assets. Next, we move to the introduction to sustainability and industrial system, which is air conditioning system. But before that, we go to the definition of sustainability. Sustainability is the ability to be maintained of a certain rate or level, while definition of air conditioning system is process used to create and maintain certain temperature, relatively humidity, and air purified condition in indoor spaces. So, environmental friendliness has always been something of a hot topic when it comes to air conditioning. Many people associate air conditioning system with heavy environment and sustainability impact, and in the case of the largest or oldest system, that's not an unfair assumption. However, increasingly, modern air conditioning systems are becoming rapidly more environmental friendly. We're not just talking about most groundbreaking innovative system, but also the run of the mill air conditioners installed in our offices and homes around the world. So, what is sustainability impact exactly?
Next discussion, there are a few impacts of sustainability air conditioning on the industrial system. For environment, one of the main jobs of air conditioner is to improve and maintain indoor air quality, which is integral in promoting good health and quality of life. That's why it is so very important to perform regular maintenance on your HAZIQ system. Installing a home air purification system, humidifier or UV lights are also good options for improving IAQ. For society, a sustainable society is one in which we do not damage the environment or overuse resources and are therefore able to live a beautiful, peaceful and bountiful earth that future generations can continue to inhabit. Lastly, for economic benefits include conserving fuel and cutting fuel costs, reducing the health impacts of air and water pollution, reducing traffic congestion and making streets safer for pedestrians, bicyclists, transit users and motorists. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad AIMAN bin AZMI. So today I'm going to explain the case study, which is global energy demand has increased swiftly in the last decade. Air conditioning system has become the highest energy end user in both residential and non-residential sector. Many of AC manufacturers mass produce inexpensive units that merely meet or slightly beyond the basic requirement, that causing a harmful to human and world. For example, global warming caused by the CFC, which is or known as a chlorofluorocarbon from air conditioner. There are something need to be solved for a better life. There are some examples of cases shown that increasing unit aircon that being used that leads global warming. For the number one, Japan is one of the country which is the highest that used the air conditioner in 2016 statistic. For the number two, the biggest exporter of air conditioner are mainland China, Thailand, Mexico, United States of America and Germany. Collectively, that cohort of major providers generate nearly 2 or 3, which is 64.8% of the value of all air conditioner exported during 2031. That percentage indicates a relatively concentrated cohort of international suppliers. There is some solution for reducing the global warming. The number one is choosing a good ventilation for a building. For example, we have a bigger building. It is better to use a chiller system instead of split unit. For the number two, keeping on improvising the aircon until get the optimal target. And for the last one is creating a building with low energy usage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And lastly is my part, which is the conclusion for sustainability in air conditioning system. So the conclusion is, as the conclusion, we must have the sustainability for using air conditioning system, because as we can see from the presentation, from the impacts and the example of many countries, we can see using the air conditioning system, if there does not have the sustainability system, it can provide many weakness for the system, such as society, environment and the other system. So we must have the sustainability for every system, and one of the example is the air conditioning system. And definitely that's only from our group. Thank you for give the attention, and thank you.